Would you believe it if I told you that you can take a 5x7 Christmas card and turn it into these beautiful Christmas purses? Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Believe it, because I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much to everyone who is leaving such positive and encouraging comments and blue hearts. I really appreciate it. Y'all, aren't these just the cutest? I think that they are so delightful and they are so easy to make. If you need one in a hurry, grab a Christmas card and turn it into an immediate gift card holder, cash holder. You can put sweet treats in here. You have an almost instant way to be able to gift a little Secret Santa gift in a hurry. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, show you just how easy and quick it is. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at the beautiful, sweet little purse I made using one 5x7 Christmas card. And you can see just how gorgeous it is when finished. This is 4.5 by 3.25, and it's 1 1/4 inch deep. On the back, it's going to be solid white because the back of your Christmas card is typically solid white. But y'all know what? I don't have a problem with that at all, because look at how cute these are. I have them closed with Velcro, but you can see the space that you have on the inside. Y'all, I think that these are just so delightful and so quick and easy to make. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is right now. So here's what I'm going to be using. I have these two embellishment pieces that I'll use to decorate, and I have a 5x7 Christmas card, and it is 5x7 when folded. So if you don't have a Christmas card, just cut your piece of 7x10 and you can make this project along with me. Now, for those of you who have Christmas cards that have writing on the inside, don't worry about that. Let that become a part of how unique your little purse actually is. The words will be on the inside, so you won't even be able to see them, but it will add just a little bit of whimsy and charm. So you can see on the back, my card has some writing. Not even worried about it. So when I open this, I'm going to place it in on the 10-inch side, and we are going to score at 1/2 inch and at 3 3/4, then at 8 1/4, and then at 8 3/4. Then we're going to turn it to the 7-inch side. Let's score at 1 1/4. Rotate it to the opposite 7-inch side and score at 1 1/4. Now I am just going to go ahead and fold and burnish all of my scores. I am going to put my purse together with glue, but if you want to put yours together with tape, just make sure you're using a good quality tape. All right, so now that we have all of our scores folded and burnished, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it like this because we want to free this tab here. So I am going to go up to the intersection of the score mark, cut straight down through the middle of the score mark, and then we'll fold up. I'm going to angle, angle, and reduce. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So let's go up to the score mark and drag straight down the middle. And now I can angle, angle, and reduce. So now that your piece looks like this, you're going to have an end that will have 1, 2 score marks, and then an end that will have 1 narrow score mark. This is the end that we're going to work on now. So let's go to the score mark and let's angle on both sides of the score mark like that. Let's take our glue And we're only going to put glue right now on that long middle fold. And we're going to fold it over and get it stuck. And then I'll take it and turn it towards me like this. We have 2 score marks, one here and one here. We're going to go up to that second score mark, and then we cut straight down. So let's cut straight down, cut across, and we are removing this corner piece altogether. Do the same thing here. Remove that corner piece. It'll actually be 2 pieces. And now your piece is going to look like this. So on the end where we just removed the 2 corner pieces, I am going to take my finger blade and I am going to reduce this in size because I don't need all of that bulk in the way when I pinch in to get that purse look. So now my piece looks like this. I want to do one more thing before we start putting this together. So I'm going to bring in my scoreboard and we're going to work on this end here. Let's put it in like this, and we're going to score at 5/8 of an inch on this panel. Let's just flip it over and score at 5/8 of an inch on that panel. And then all I'm going to do is just pinch in a little bit because that makes it easier to be able to pinch in the size of our purse. Now let's put it together, and you're going to see how easy it is to put together. So I am going to take my glue, add some glue to this piece, add my glue to this little section here that I trimmed short, and let's add some glue along this top here. We'll take this piece, make sure it's on the inside, bring this piece up, and then really all you have to do is get it aligned so that you can get this flap tucked in, and then everything else will fall into place where you need for it to be. So I am going to go in and get everything nice and stuck. And I'll show you up close on this side. So we're going to make sure this piece is tucked in. Let's add some glue. Then we're going to add some glue to this shorter piece that we cut. Or tape, whichever one you're using. Then I'll take my glue and I'm just going to add it to this little fold over flap here at the top. Now I can just fold over, and tuck in like that, and then everything else just falls into place where it needs to be. So I'm just going to go in, get this nice and stuck, go along my edges, making sure I have a nice stick on them. And because I made those lines on the side, pinching in becomes very easy, like that. And I can fold over, and there is my purse. So now, I am going to take a Velcro dot, take that Velcro dot, and put it right there. Just kind of sort of get it in the middle. Let's get it stuck. Peel away that backer, squeeze, fold over, and get it nice and stuck. Then I'll open it, and we'll work that stick on both pieces. I can fold over. And y'all, there is my sweet little Christmas purse made using a 5x7 Christmas card. So I just want to add a little bit of decoration to this. I'm going to take this and we're going to put it right here. It's a sticker, so I can peel away the back. Like that. And this is also a sticker, and I want it to sit right there. So I'm not going to peel away all of the sticker, but I am going to just go in with my finger blade and just remove some of that backer. Like that. And I am going to put it on right there. Let me just get that nice and stuff. And so y'all, there we have another beautiful Christmas purse made using a 5x7 Christmas card. So when I say we do some economical paper crafting, this is really economical because you can buy a whole box of Christmas cards and turn them into these sweet little purses for pennies. So I am going to bring the other two back in so that you can see just how gorgeous these are. Y'all, I love it, and I think that you will too. So go ahead, grab those 5x7 Christmas cards, pick some up at the discount store when you're in the store, and let's get crafting some Christmas purses using greeting cards. So I hope that you have enjoyed this super awesome way that we can take any 5x7 greeting card and turn it into this. If you have, please hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day. So I'd love to have you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.